What is happening, YouTube? It's the Shoe Bully coming at you again, baby. We got some more shoes to unbox for y'all. I don't even know what these are, but you are gonna have to bear with me because I am recovering from a motorcycle accident. Without further ado, we'll get into it, baby. These came all the way from the United Kingdom. I'm hoping they're still in good condition after all the travel they went through. Looks like they are. These are the Air Jordan 1 OG Phantoms. Boom, baby. Really nice shoe, man. It's got a really weird leather on it. Not sure how I feel about that, but I got a review coming on these, so stay tuned, y'all. Show you what else we're working with. I think these are the Social Status 6. Man, these are sleepers right here, y'all. Boom. Can't wait to rock these for y'all. I'm gonna have an on-foot review for these coming soon. Those are fucking sexy. This box got dirt all over it. That ain't straight, man. I don't even know what these are. What the hell? They put my Couture ones in a damn black box straight from Nike. What the hell is this? What the hell is this? Is this a B grade? What the fuck? Wow. Shouts out to Nike for that bullshit. Never seen that before. Oh, they put these in the right box. Fuck. Same shoe. But for some reason, these came in the proper box. So Nike, I'm gonna need you to let me know what is up with that, what y'all got going on with that, because that is not cool at all. At all, man, it's not cool. That was my personal pair too. You want me to put in my personal collection a shoe box that don't even go with the shoe? What is that? Really disappointed in Nike for that. You rarely hear me talk bad about Nike, but what was that, man? That's terrible. Got these in for personal. Laser Force, the black pair. These are also sleepers, just like those Social Status 6s, man. I'm gonna have an on foot coming soon for y'all. Love this shoe, man. Love the gum bottoms too. Got one more for y'all, and I have no idea what it is. Oh, it's the foams. Got these in for personal too. Woo! Man, these smell like straight nail polish remover. Boom! That's a sexy shoe right there. I'm gonna have an on foot on these coming too, baby. Stay tuned. Do not sleep, because we got more heat. And that's all we got for y'all today, though. Signing out, baby.